How to send crypto on Binance. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can send crypto on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to send crypto on Binance, open up the Binance application over here. Once you open the Binance app, you will see this type of interface. Now to send a certain amount of crypto, right over here you can see this little option here, so you can say deposit with fiat and cryptocurrency. So what you actually want to do is you can select deposit. So first of all, make sure to copy the wallet address of the cryptocurrency that you're trying to send the crypto to, and once you select that, you can just go ahead and then basically enter that. Once I've done that, you can simply choose a network over here, so it will show you all the recommended ones. Once you choose a network, here you'll be able to save your address. So once you copy the address of the where you want to send the Bitcoin to, now you just have to go to the withdraw tab by simply coming to your profile page, then simply going to convert or withdraw option, and once you've done that, you will definitely be able to go ahead and then send crypto on Binance. This way you will be able to send crypto on Binance. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.